Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and it also means that it's time for Christmas parades, some of them already underway. In studio with us this morning, Kavanaugh Studevant from the Junction Chamber of Commerce. Tell us all about what's happening in CJ, and I know you all have a Christmas parade coming up.
Yeah, we actually have a big weekend in Carl Junction for Christmas. And first it kicks off actually on Saturday. So our Lions Club does host and sponsor our Christmas parade, but the day before they also do a big breakfast at our community center. So that'll be in the morning. Santa will be there, and then obviously Sunday is the big day, December 4th at 2 o'clock, and it is our annual Christmas parade that is presented by our Carl Junction Lions Club.
And how many entries do you have in the parade this year?
So we don't know. So it is completely free to be in the parade. You just show up. So there have been times where we have had a lot of different entries. We definitely know of 3. Both our high school and our junior high band will be there performing in the parade. And then obviously Santa is coming to town, and Santa likes to ride Old Red, our old fire truck. And so we definitely know Santa will be there. So those are definitely the 3 big ones that I know everyone looks forward to, but it's just a great time for our community come together. We have vintage cars that are in the parade. People have floats. One specifically is our Just Call Joe team with Keller Williams. They usually go all out. This year they're doing the Grinch. And so after the parade, you can stop by our chamber lot and they will be there with the Grinch where you can take pictures. They're giving away prizes. So it is a little bit more than just a parade.
That's what I was just about to say. It's a little bit more than just a Christmas parade this year. So, we were talking about the Halloween trunk or treat. A huge turnout for that. Are you hoping to kind of capitalize on that success with the parade and just continue to grow things like this in CJ?
Yeah, I definitely think so. It's one of those things that everyone looks forward to for the holiday season. It's like Halloween. We all travel to each other's communities because we're always putting on events for the holidays. And I think Christmas is the same thing. And the parade has grown significantly, that we do have things to do afterwards and taking pictures and prizes. And it's just really neat to see a great organization like the Lions Club come together and continue to do this and make it free for anybody that wants to be a part of the parade too, which is really, really neat to see. And so it's a big, great weekend. It's a great weekend to come down to Carl Junction, like I said, starting on Saturday and then Sunday for the parade too.
Yeah, I was just going to say a quick recap on everything that's going on this weekend.
Yeah, so Saturday, December 3rd, starting at 8 a.m. at our community center is the Lions Club breakfast, and it's actually going to benefit CJ Shop with a Cop, the proceeds, and then Sunday, December 4th at 2 o'clock is the parade on Main Street.
All right. Well, Kavanaugh, thanks for stopping in. And
Thank
of course,
you.
we'll have this interview and all that information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.